About to make one of my favorites, Avo Smash.
Cut a ripe avocado in half and twist it open. Scoop out that meat and put it into a bowl and save that pit. You're going to need it. Simple salt, one little shake in, and some crushed red pepper for a little bit of a kick. Not too much. Then, of course, you need some lime and some fresh cilantro. Just chop that up. And then use a potato smasher. You'll get better texture when you use the smasher. Look at that. Perfectly mashed. And then you put that pit back in to keep it green. You can either use thin sliced bread or some crisp wheat. Get some multicolored tomatoes, toast up your bread, and now begin the build. Put that luscious smash on top of the bread and then on the crisp bread, and then start to build it. A hard-boiled egg is perfect. Cut it in a slicer, and then take the pieces and build on top of your thin sliced wheat. And then use your nice sliced tomatoes to put onto your crisp bread. Sprinkle both with some cilantro and some hot pepper flakes, and look at that. Pair it with some mixed fruit, and you have got a luscious snack.